We're doing test 1, question 8E. Come on. All right. We have a point, -2, 5, and this says f of 1 equals -4. But what that really means is -4, 1. So we got 2 points, and we are finding the slope. So y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. That is our slope. So let's call this x1, x. You know what did I do on this? Yeah. x1, y1, x2, y2. So we plug those in. Bam. So that's 1 minus 5, and -4 minus -2, which is really +2. So -4 plus 2, that is -2 and -4. What? Fucking idiot. I'm being a fucking idiot. Wait, hold on. No, I'm not. You dickhead. Yeah, I was being an idiot. Sorry. I knew that didn't make sense. This second point I got wrong. It is 1, -4. So now we can do this right. -4 minus 5. That's -9. That's a 9. 1 minus -2, again, +2, is 3. So -9 over 3. So it is -3. So our slope, m equals -3. Second part. Write an equation to the line perpendicular to the slope and passes through 6, 1. That's how tall I am. Let's cut this bit off. So it's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. That is our, what is it, point slope? Yeah. So we've got y minus y1, or just y and x, is 1. And then x minus 6. The slope is going to be the inverse. First of all, it's going to flip the sign because you do. And it's going to be the inverse. So it's going to be positive 1 over 3. Y minus 1 equals 1 over 3, x minus 6. So that is our point slope. And then we're graphing it. Yeah, you could see over there. I don't have a comically large ruler, but if I did, I'd have perfect lines, so just bear with me. What are we looking at? You can see that, right? You can see that. All right. So, first line, -2, 5, 1, -4. So, -2 and 5. And 1, -4. That's a 1. That's a 4. Terrible line, but bear with me again. That's not a straight line, but it is. So this is the, I'm gonna label this, and I'm just gonna toss it in point slope. y minus, I'll just use a random point. So minus -4, that's +4, equals -3 times, and we're just crossing that, or we're dividing that, x minus 1. So that's this one. And then, second line, we have 6, 1. That's our line. And we have a positive 1/3 slope. So we're gonna go backwards. So drop 1, back 3, drop 1, back 3, drop 1, back 3, so on and so forth. That is our line. We're gonna label this again, y minus 1, x minus 6, y minus 1, 1/3x minus 6. Part A, part B, part C. That was test 1, question 8.